Hi, everybody, and happy Thursday. Today I have Inside Cat. It's written by Brendan Wenzel and it's published by Chronicle Kids, and we want to thank them for allowing us to read this book to you today. So, on Tuesday, I read a book about what happens when dogs are home alone, and now we're going to find out when this cat is inside its home. So, let's find out what this book is all about. Do you want to find out about an inside cat, Charlie? Murph? What do you think? Want to find out about a cat? Let's get started. All right. Okay. So, we have the cat's house. Do you see that? Do you see it? Okay. Maybe Charlie's not into the cat. He's going to go find his own sofa to sit on. And what's the cat doing? The cat is looking outside at some really beautiful flowers. Oh, dog's back. Inside Cat knows many windows, finds a view wherever it goes. Wanders, wonders, gazes, gapes, sees the world through many shapes. Do you see all those windows and their different shapes? We've got some rectangles. We've got some that are rectangles on the bottom and circles on the top, half circles on the top. Do you see all the shapes that you can see through those windows? Ben, do you see a shape? Yeah? What shape do you see?
A square.
Square. I also see a triangle. Square and round shapes, thin and wide, downward, upward. That's a lot of windows in that house. Do you have a lot of windows in your house or apartment? Side by side, view to view, floor to floor, knows the windows, walls, and more. Inside Cat knows many windows, finds a view wherever it goes, wanders, wonders, stares, snacks, each seen through a pane of glass. Okay, so I got to tell you something. I don't think my cat moves as much as this cat does, but she does like her snacks. Glass all dusty, glass so streaky, glass so gloomy, glass so freaky. Do you see the paw prints on the glass? Does your cat ever do that? Do they? Mine does sometimes. Glass all bubbly, glass got broken, glass that's blocked, and glass wide open. View to view, floor to floor, knows the windows, walls, and more. Inside Cat knows many windows, finds a view wherever it goes, wanders, wonders, lingers, laps, watches all the things as they pass. Do you see the cat? The cat is drinking out of the toilet. Has yours ever done that? I don't think ours has ever done that. Fluffy rats and roaring flies, racing birds and boats for mice. Floating eyes and giant treats, great cat kings and wild beasts, view to view, floor to floor, knows the windows, world, and more. So what's she seeing? Maybe some ice cream? Ice cream cones? Animals? Look at all the things that she sees out of her window. Inside Cat knows many windows, finds a view wherever it goes, wanders, wonders, nibbles, naps, knows what's hiding in the gaps. Knows who lives down in the ground, knows who lives up in the clouds, knows who plays with all the kids, knows who is the fluffiest. Look at that. She sees people working on the streets, and she can see a firefighter, And she's watching the kids play. She has a very busy day watching all this stuff, doesn't she? Knows what smells, knows what blares, knows what speeds, knows what stares, knows what rises, knows what falls. See this? Trash trucks and fire trucks. And looks like a dog's looking in the window. They would totally do that. And balloons and night falling. She sees it all. Inside Cat might know it all. Do you think your cat knows what's going on all the time from watching out of the windows? What do you think? Every view and every floor, all the windows, world, and more. Top to bottom, head to toe, nothing more for you to... Oh, look at all that other stuff to see. What do you think the cat's going to go do next? And can we just point out that the cat's house is shaped like a cat? Isn't that awesome? The end. I would love to know what you think about this story. And what do you think your cat sees when it's home all day? Let me know on our Instagram page. I will be back next week with some more brand new stories that I can't wait to share with you. So until then, everybody have a wonderful weekend. Stay warm, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Started. Charlie, do you want to read a book about a cat? What do you think? Cats are good, right? I don't know that he thinks that.